going?
I'm here.
Oh, I'll see you at lunch. Where are you going?
I'm in color.
Jordan, where are you going this time? Where are you going?
See Pastor Paul.
You're going to see Pastor Paul? Where at? Where will he be?
Hiding.
Is he hiding? Jordan, where did your babies just go? Where did these babies in your car go? Nuna. Bye-bye. Where are they going? The chiropractor? What are they going to do at the chiropractor?
Doctor.
To the doctor? What's the doctor's name?
Shirt.
What?
Shirt.
Shirt? You're silly.
Cake.
Jordan, are they going to get a massage at the doctor? At the chiropractor?
No, baby.
You tell baby get massage.
I forgot, baby.
Is baby stuck?